Hello, my name is Rodríguez, and with my classmates, Saray Sanabria, Fernando, llaurado, and Jiménez, we are making this presentation to talk about the Unit 1 and Unit 2 of the English 6 course of the Universidad Marítima del Caribe. We will begin talking about the acronyms. An acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a name, such as WAC, for Women's Army Corps, or by combining initial letters or parts of a series of words, such as radar, for radio detecting and ranging. And also, acronyms are pronounced as full words. An initial is the first letter of a word. We often use initial to refer to the names of countries and organizations. For example, UNC, SDCW. There are many different acronyms in the maritime industry that we will see during our professional life, such as SART, Self-Contained Waterproof Radar Transponder of Emergency Use at Sea, and other is MMSA, 9 digits sent over a radio frequency to identify ship stations. At the beginning of the 1990s, an increase in the frequency of accidents that are ascribed to faulty communications induced to the AMO to set up a work group to develop a standardized safety language of shipping. In 2001, the SMCP, Standard Marine Communications Phrases, were finally published by the AMO, and these were also made binding. All fields of activity in daily marine routine and above all in emergency situations are covered by the SMCP. Whether it is a question of spelling of the cargo or of onboard communication through the emergency, uniform schemes for question and answers or instructions for both internal or external communications are standardized throughout. And a comprehensive glossary is also provided, and the language of the SMCP is frequently very simple.
Hello, my name is Fernando, llaurado. I am going to talk about acronym and its initials. OOW, Officer of the Watch. The deer mate is located and customarily the ship's safety officer and fourth in command. LNG, liquid natural gas, is a natural gas converted to liquid by cooling. LNG is mainly composed of the hydrocarbon methane, although it can also contain many other gases, such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and ethane, among others. Correct Convention of International Regulation for Preventing Collisions at Sea, 1972. The objective of this agreement was to update and replace the 1916 regulation to prevent collisions, has been accepted by a large number of states. GMDA's Global Maritime Distress Safety System. It is a set of securing products, equipment, and communication protocol designed to increase safety, facilitate navigation, and the rescue of vessels in distress. VHF Emergency VHF radios. It is the most used communication system in nautical. It is means to be able to communicate with other boats and with land. Marine VHF site use a series of channels to make call. This channel can be simplex channel, duplex channels. GPS Global Position System. GPS provides the faster and most accurate method to marines to navigation, measure their speed, and determine their position around the world, with greater safety and efficiency. ATA estimate time of arrival. It refers to report of time or lapse in which it is expensive to arrive at the destinations. SMCP, Standard Marine Communication Phrases. SMCP has been developed as more comprehensive standardized safety language, taking in account the changing conditions of modern shipping and covering all major safety-related verbal communication, ACDAs, electronic shared displays, and information system. It is a geographic information system used for nautical navigation that complies with the standard of the International Maritime Organization as an alternative to paper nautical charts. HFO, heavy foul oil, describe fuels that are used to generate motion or fuel to generate heat that have a high viscosity and density.
Hello, my name is Jiménez. I am going to talk about gyro compass, radar, and magnetic compass. The gyro compass is an electronic navigational support that allows us to orientate ourselves with respect to true north. It is used for finding your flight direction. And unlike magnetic compass, the gyro compass is not affected by external magnetic field. The radar is a piece of equipment that is used to detect objects located in our surrounding, whether they are other ship, container, or any other type of object. It allows a very precise measurement of the direction in which the object is detected and the distance at which it is located. The magnetic compass is an instrument that allows a ship to be oriented at sea, allowing it to navigate a certain course. Basically, it's consistent of one or several magnetic curve directors that are attached to graduate disc or compass rows on which the direction from 0 to 350 degrees are drawn.
Good morning, my name is Saray Sanabria. In Unit 2, I continue with the information of my parent. Autopilot, it is an instrument that is a combination of hydraulic, mechanical and electrical systems and is used to control the ship steering system from navigation bridge. In addition, this decreases the rudder movement and consequently reduce fuel consumption. ARPA, Automatic Radar Plotting Aid. It is an equipment in which the true movement of all the detected echoes appear on the screen, including all ship. Moreover, to activating alerts that warn us of a possible risk of collision with another ship. The system can calculate the ship course, speed, and closing point of approach. The course is expressed in degrees latitude and longitude. Echo sonder. This instrument is used to measure the depth of the water below the ship's bottom using sound weight. The draft and depth are spelled in feet or meters. GPS, Global Position System, is a display system used to show the ship location with the help of global position satellite in the Earth orbit. Speed and distance law. The device is used to measure the speed and the distance traveled by a ship from a set point. It calculates the same ATA of the chip is adjusted. The unit of speed is knot, and unit of the distance is nautical mile. 1 knot is 1 nautical mile per hour. ECDIS, Electronic Chart Display and Information System, is an development in the navigational chart system used in vessels. With the use of the electronic chart system, it has become easier for a ship navigating crete to pinpoint location and course. On the other hand, we talk about connectors. The connectors are words or phrases with which two or more ideas can be related. Thanks to them, you can form complex sentences, concepts, or descriptions that require a more advanced level of the language to communicate and express yourself in a broader way. Some of them are, in addition, moreover, therefore, due to, while, then, as well, unlike. Thank you for your attention.